Good afternoon, guys. This is Pistol. I've been watching him for a very long time, since he was a puppy. Now he has gray whiskers. Hey, come here. Look how beautiful he is. I don't think he'll stay still, but I've known him for a very long time. We're just walking down here to take a look at the beach. Last time we were here, he fixed some of these rocks. The lake is very calm today. I don't think we're gonna go all the way down there right now. I just wanted to take a look, and then we're gonna take a little walk in the woods a little. Very calm today. No waves at all, pretty much. Some wakeboards. Some longboards. I'll let him run around a little bit. So I flew my drone over this area the other day. It was really windy that day. Today, there's not much wind. Here's a little bit. There's some clouds coming in. So Chicago is over that way. On really clear days, you can actually see the tall buildings. Right now, you can't really. But on nights when they have like fireworks, like 4th of July, around that time, you can see pretty much the whole show. It's smaller, of course, but you can see it all the way from here and what they have in Chicago. So this is huge Lake Michigan. So if you keep going this way, you go up into Michigan. And then if you want to go back this way, it goes towards Indiana and then onto Illinois. You can keep going right up if you want. There's a seagull. Pretty peaceful here today. Right now with the sun behind the clouds, it's perfect. It's probably right around 70 degrees, which is really nice. It does have a little bit of a breeze once you come down here. There's some seagulls. Ah, Pisty's in the water. The water's freezing, but he doesn't care. I put my toes in it the other day. Hey, buddy. There's some rocks. Let's see if I can skip some of these. That wasn't very good. Sometimes we get some sandbars. If I had my Crocs on, I'd take a little walk out there, but I don't feel like taking my shoes off. But sometimes you go out, it gets really deep, and then if you keep going, it gets really shallow. Usually like right around there. There's a sandbar. So this is where I'm staying for the night. It's pretty quiet out here. I'm just gonna follow Pisty for a little bit. Some Indian beads right in the rock. It's fun walking out here trying to look for Indian beads. Here's a small piece of glass. Growing up, I had a whole jar full of Indian beads. Those are those like little tiny fossils. I think most of them have been found walking through here. Inside there's a big jar. That's not a rock. I'll run this to about 10 minutes, and I do have to run uptown. I gotta get some supplies. I'm staying the night here, but I'm also washing some furniture. So in between walking the dog and doing that. Some summers, there's no beach at all. You can see the furniture there. Sometimes the water's all the way up to there, and we've actually lost all the furniture before. So they had to repurchase all this furniture sometimes if the water's all the way up there and it takes it out into the lake. So that's how crazy it's different some years. It's just, you never know. But the last probably like 3 years, they have had a good beach. But you really never know what's going to happen in the summer. If you will have a beach, like this is really nice. It's a really big area. But sometimes it really does go right up to pretty much the stairs. Here's a seagull just chilling on the water. Enough of the water for today? My dog Chloe, back in the day, American Bulldog, she did not like water much. She'd go in if you throw the ball, but she wouldn't go in very far. That's cool with the line. There's other parts of Michigan. We went to different dunes. There's like a state park where if you go to the water and you look out, there's not many trees. All it is just big sand piles. They're very large hills. But right here, these are just trees and different. If you go down, the scenery could change. All right, guys, this is pretty much it. I gotta run to town and get some supplies. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm here for the next day, and then tomorrow off to something else. I'm hoping to possibly travel in about a month. Right now, of course, I just want to hang out with family and save up a little bit of money. But we'll see. Nothing is for sure yet. It's sprinkling a little bit. You can see some of the raindrops in the water. So I think it's going to start raining maybe, but look, there's only one cloud that's covering. It actually is starting to come down now. I can feel the drops coming more. So it probably won't last for too long. Here's a plane. Not quite high enough to get in the clouds. Alright guys, so here comes the rain. I think I'm gonna get Pistol inside, but it looks like it shouldn't last for very long. Here Pisty comes, playing with the seagulls. Pistol! Come on! Come on, buddy! You can't tell the difference between the ocean and the lake until you go in it and the water gets in your mouth or your eyes. But it's huge. When I try to explain to some people how big the lake is, they don't really believe me. But look at that, you can't see the other side. It's huge. Alright guys, well, it's a shorter video today, but this is pretty much what I'm doing while I'm home. It's just saving some bucks and doing some odd jobs. I think I'm gonna go clean off Pisty, but she loves that water, or he loves that water. People actually surf out here when there's like storms. That's usually when the waves come, when there's like some kind of storm. I remember about 9 years ago, there's a hurricane. We, just got some winds, but the waves were huge. For like, Lake Michigan, and even for oceans. I mean, they were really big. We had boats capsized in the marina. So we do get waves every once in a while. We'll probably get more waves in the winter. People actually surf out here sometimes in the winter when there's waves. They have the full bodysuits up to stay warm. I hear another plane. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Alright guys, this is it for now. I'm gonna go I was gonna say go wash up Pistol, but I might need to get him in the water one last time. What a dog's life. This is his backyard. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, you guys take care. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.